Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your blue light card to Apple Wallet in 2026. Now, first of all, the blue light card does not officially support Apple Wallet, so you won't see any add to Apple Wallet option in the blue light card application. So we need to use a workaround for this. So in this workaround, you need the barcode or the membership number. So you need to open the blue light card application. After going to the membership option or your card option, you just have to basically find your barcode. So the barcode is going to look something like this. So make sure that it is visible enough and you need to take a screenshot of it. After doing this, we need to convert this barcode into a wallet compatible pass. For that, you can use the app which is called Pass2U Wallet. So you can download it from the App Store. Then when you open it, you will see these types of options in front of you. So among these, simply tap on the option of Create Pass. You can also select the store card. So after selecting it, simply upload your barcode which you have just basically taken the screenshot. After adding it, you just have to select the pass type and then you can give it a name like blue light card. Then after doing this, simply tap on the option of add to Apple Wallet. So this way it is going to basically add it to your Apple Wallet, but with some limitations. Like some blue light discounts require verification inside the official app. So wallet works for quick access, but not all the offers may accept it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.